Welcome to the adventure. Smarty-Pants Town needs your help, and a new mission is about to begin. The clues are all around the space you're in. There are 5 clues to help us solve the mission. Each clue gives us new information. When we put all the information together, the mission will be solved. If you need more time at any point, you can always pause the video.
Today's mission: the missing words. Hi, I'm Literacy Lucy. Let's go to the Smarty-Pants Town library to check out some books. Oh no, the library books are scattered and something is very wrong here.
It looks like someone came into the library and scrambled everything. Books are scattered across the floor, papers are drifting through the air, and some of the shelves are all out of order. Something strange must have happened here. We'd better take a closer look and see what's going on.
I can't read these stories. Some of the words are gone.
In Smarty-Pants Town, there are twins who sometimes cause word trouble. Fragment takes words away, and Scrambler mixes words up.
I don't see mixed up words, I see empty spaces. It looks like Fragment was here.
To read the books again, we need to rebuild the sentences. Each clue will help us find a missing word. Choose your own word when you find each clue. Say your word out loud or write it down. We will use all your words at the end to complete the stories and clean up the library. Are you ready to get started? Great. Clue number 1, adjective. Take a moment to think of an adjective. An adjective describes something. Here are some examples: tall, silly, or bright. We'll do a countdown to allow you to find your adjective. Let's go. We're building our sentence. The first word is your adjective. Say it out loud or write it down. Clue number 2, noun. Take a moment to think of a noun. A noun is a person, place, or thing. Examples are teacher, playground, or backpack. Let's get ready to do our countdown to find your noun. Say your noun out loud or write it down. Clue number 3, verb. A verb is an action. Think of an action word ending in ing. Let's get ready to do our countdown to find your verb. Say your verb out loud or write it down. Clue number 4, a place. Think of a place, like a park, school, or a library, or it can be somewhere else entirely. Let's get ready to do our countdown to find your place. Say your place out loud or write it down. Finally, clue number 5. Think of a silly word. Let's get ready to do our countdown to find your silly word. Say your silly word out loud or write it down. Now that we have all 5 clues, let's get ready to put them together. Your sentence should have an adjective, noun, verb, a place, and a silly word. I can't wait to find out what your sentence says. Let's say your sentence out loud. Are you ready? Let's go. Hooray! You did it! The sentence is complete. The missing words are returning. The books are ready to be read.
And now the story makes sense again. Or at least it makes us laugh.
Sentences are made of different kinds of words working together. A noun names, a verb shows action, and describing words add detail. When we place them in the right order, reading becomes easier and ideas make sense. Even silly sentences follow rules when words are in the right places. Ideas become clear.
Fragment is learning that sentences work best when words stay together.
Oh man, if I can't take words apart, how will I make silly sentences now? I'll think of something else.
Words help us tell stories. Stories help us imagine. Adventures will be here when you're ready for the next one. See you next time!